everyone. Today I want to talk to you about the incredible tool that can take your videos to the next level, the teleprompter. Are you struggling with creating engaging videos? Do complicated scripts or difficult topics make you stumble while delivering your content? Well, worry no more. The teleprompter is here to save the day. Using a teleprompter helps you deliver your message with clarity and confidence, resulting in enhanced video quality. No more forgetting lines or getting lost in the script. With a teleprompter, you can maintain eye contact with your audience and sound natural, making your videos look more professional and engaging. Complicated scripts, not a problem anymore. The teleprompter ensures you stay on track even with the most challenging content. By using a teleprompter, you can save time and avoid multiple retakes, making your video creation process much more efficient. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting as a content creator, the teleprompter is a valuable tool that caters to all skill levels. And the best part, teleprompters are easy to use. Just load your script, adjust the speed, and you are ready to roll. So if you want to create captivating videos, tackle complex topics effortlessly, and read your scripts confidently, give the teleprompter a try. Start using the teleprompter and witness the transformation in your video quality and presentation. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching and happy teleprompting!